North Idaho has quietly become one of the most desirable places to live in the country. People are moving here from all over. From California, Washington, Oregon, even the Midwest. Looking not just for home, but for a lifestyle. They're searching for space, natural beauty, and a slower pace of life that's hard to find elsewhere. This region offers a combination of breathtaking scenery, privacy, and community that makes everyday living feel extraordinary. Let's take a closer look at the lifestyle that's drawing so many people to North Idaho. One of the biggest draws to North Idaho is the access to nature. From crystal clear lakes and winding rivers to mountains and forests, life here is immersed in stunning landscapes. Outdoor activities are part of daily life. Boating, fishing, hiking, skiing, and more. Nearly 8 out of 10 residents participate in outdoor recreation every year, making this region a true paradise for people who love to be outside. Homes are designed to embrace the environment, with large windows framing the scenery, outdoor decks extending living spaces, and properties often sitting on private acres. Living here allows you to enjoy the beauty of nature throughout every day. Another reason people move here is the space. Compared with big cities, North Idaho offers larger properties, more land, and true privacy. Whether it's a quiet wooded lot or a home with waterfront access, there's room to breathe, stretch out, and enjoy life at your own pace. Living on or near a lake or river adds a unique dimension to daily life. Waterfront properties provide not just scenic views, but opportunities for boating, swimming, and outdoor recreation right at your doorstep. This combination of privacy, space, and access to the water is one of the biggest lifestyle benefits of living in North Idaho. While North Idaho offers privacy, it also fosters a strong sense of community. People care about where they live, and local communities revolve around farmers markets, festivals, and neighborhood events. Residents often comment on how welcoming and connected their neighborhoods feel. Family-friendly environments and welcoming communities make this area ideal for raising family or enjoying retirement, which is such a perk of the area. The balance between quiet living and meaningful connection is something people find truly rare elsewhere. One of the joys of living in North Idaho is experiencing all 4 seasons. Summers bring boating, swimming, and long evenings outdoors. Fall paints the landscape in stunning colors. Winter offers skiing, snowshoeing, and cozy nights by the fireplace. Spring brings blooming flowers and renewed energy in nature. Homes are often built to capture these seasonal changes, with features like decks for summer entertaining and large windows to enjoy the shifting scenery. Experiencing each season becomes part of daily life. Idaho continues to be one of the top states for inbound migration, and North Idaho is a central part of that trend. People are drawn to the slower pace, access to nature, affordability compared with coastal areas, and communities that feel connected. Remote work flexibility has also made it possible for more people to relocate while maintaining their careers. Many are looking for homes that offer lake access, acreage, or mountain retreats. Properties that really reflect the lifestyle they want rather than just a place to live. North Idaho offers that combination of comfort, beauty, and space that's hard to find elsewhere. North Idaho offers a lifestyle that's getting harder to find in many parts of the country. Space, natural beauty, strong communities, and homes designed to embrace it all. If you're thinking about moving here, exploring homes, or just curious about what life in North Idaho could look like, I'd be happy to help. Reach out anytime. I love helping people discover not just a home, but a way of life. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look at North Idaho living, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos featuring homes, lifestyle insights, and everything you need to know about making this area your home.